Very nonsense guy, guys. Now we are
I'm
sitting.
trying to sit.
Sitting. My friends are also sitting. And
Go and have something. Come after 11 p.m.
because our friend called us.
Cheating with my phone is acceptable. I was not cheating.
हॅलो गाईज गुड मॉर्निंग आणि वेलकम बॅक टू माय चॅनल. तर मी आत्ता जस्ट झोपेतून उठलेली आहे आणि मला ॲक्च्युली नीट दिसत असं होतं, डायरेक्ट नीट दिसत पण नाही आहे. सो आज आपण करणार आहोत सॉरी आज ॲक्च्युली मी तुम्हाला येणार आहे माझ्यासोबत फॉर माय प्रॅक्टिकल एक्झामिनेशन. टुडे इज माय फर्स्ट प्रॅक्टिकल आणि आज आहे LP2. तर आज आपण जाणार आहोत सोबत प्रॅक्टिकलला. तर मग लेट्स गो. आता मी आवडते सगळं अँड देन वी आर गुड. And then after reaching the college, I will again show you all.
सो गाईज आम्ही आता कॉलेजमध्ये पोहोचलेलो आहोत आणि आय एम जस्ट सिटिंग अँड माय फ्रेंड आर ऑल्सो सिटिंग. आणि आमचा आता रोल नंबर घ्यायला खूप वेळ आहे कारण ॲज युजल आम्ही आणि कोणाचं तरी ब्रेसलेट फुटलं म्हणून बघा त्याचे मनी आले आमच्याकडे. तर आता आम्ही इथे बसलोय, चिल करतोय आणि आमच्यात प्रॅक्टिकल होईल. फर्स्ट 2 बॅचेस ऑलरेडी लॅबमध्ये बसलेत आणि आता आमची प्रॅक्टिकल होईल इन सम टाइम. आम्ही तुम्हाला सांगेल की आमची प्रॅक्टिकल कशी जाते. सो होल्ड ऑन. काय करतो?
पाणी पितोय मी. चिल्ड.
आम्ही आता चाललोय गाईज लायब्ररीमध्ये कारण आमचा रोल नंबरला खूप वेळ आहे आणि
वेळ म्हणजे एक्स्ट्रीम वेळ.
या आणि आता आम्ही फॅन खाली चाललोय इन शॉर्ट.
लमडत ते पण.
कारण माय फ्रेंड हिअर इज इंजर्ड व्हेरी बॅडली, सिव्हिअरली इंजर्ड. बघ कमान चेक. तर अशा ठिकाणी आम्ही लायब्ररीमध्ये चाललोय आता आणि बसू तिकडे जाऊन फॉर सम टाइम.
Yes. Boys, I cheat you. 1 second. Oh, I'm.
What?
I cheat you.
Guys, so we just came on the 4th floor because our friend called us and she said ki our number was coming, but
Ma'am said, go and have something. Come after 11 p.m.
yes, so
AM. Stupid.
AM, sorry. So now we are again going to that same place, which
We
is
have
called as
saw
library.
the 8th wonder of the.
See, look, what is happening. Look.
It's not happening now.
It will happen. First, I am saying you get out now.
See, drop.
Tecnologia!
Magic! Open the door.
Yes, so now we are going again in that kabad khana, which is called as library. So wait, guys. See, wait. What is this?
Magic!
What is this stupid boy doing? And now we are again on the same table. I'm scared.
Don't drink water from here. Drink water right here.
Tecnologia! Tecnologia!
Very nonsense guy, guys. Now we are
I'm
sitting.
trying to sit with my leg on. Wait a minute. I can see.
Guys, so actually he is injured severely na, so he cannot sit properly. That's why he does this karamati.
My one side bum. I cannot sit on my one side bum, but
Oh,
still with great dedication and motivation I came for practical exam.
very wise, very motivated person he is in life.
Very. I am carry on student.
And he's still very motivated, guys.
Very motivated.
Yes,
Carry on.
yes, carry on. So now we are chilling here. Guys, अशा ठिकाणी आमची प्रॅक्टिकल एक्झाम झालेली आहे आणि कशी
Finally.
गेली प्रॅक्टिकल साहिल?
चांगलं तर गेले पण एक्सटर्नलनी मला आउट ऑफ सिलेबसच प्रश्न विचारले. लाईक आय डोंट नो व्हॉट शी वॉज आस्किंग मी, बट आय गेव आन्सर फुटून कुठून कुठून काहीतरी.
Okay, so he means that he gave all the answers, although they were correct or not, he doesn't know. Same goes with me also. Even I gave all the answers.
But we both had very fun during practicals because it didn't feel like it was practical exam. We were just roaming around the corridors in our college and just having fun.
Yes, I very much agree to it because the strictness of practical exam that should be there, it wasn't there.
Today I was sitting with my phone in practical. I was not cheating. I was just watching reels during practical.
No, guys, I was not sitting with my phone. I did not copy. I gave all the practical on my own. It was a very good practical.
I also gave on my own. I was just watching reels to save my time,
Babo,
utilize my time.
bro wants to save his time. So now, guys, we are walking, and as I don't have my gadi because my gadi is gone,
Where?
it is gone somewhere.
Where?
So now we are going by rickshaw. So wait. So guys, with this team at Uber मध्ये बसलेलं आहे and we are going now. So yes. And I it's a performance center आहे. प्लेझेंट वातावरण पण इतकं काय वाटत नाही गरमीचं. कॉलेजमध्ये खूप उशिरी होते आणि चाललोय आता चालले एकदम गोष्ट आहे मग कन्फ्युजन. येस. Practical was very nice, very easy. सगळं येत होतं मला असं काय अवघड अशी नव्हती. एसआयचं प्रॅक्टिकल एलपी टू बस ऑल द विल अंडरस्टँड. सो गाईज विथ दिस मी घरी पोचलेली आहे आणि I did nothing. I was just at my friend's place. We hung out for a bit आणि मग मी आले घरी. पण माझ्यात अजिबात एनर्जी नव्हती शूट करायला म्हणून मी शूट नाही केलं. पण आता म्हणलं काहीतरी कन्क्लूड करूया. सो आय एम टेलिंग ऑल दिस की वी आर डन विथ द ब्लॉग अँड दी प्रॅक्टिकल वॉज व्हेरी अमेझिंग, व्हेरी कूल. खूप भारी गेली, एकदम सोपी होती, काहीच नव्हतं त्याच्यात. आणि the examiner was also nice. She was good and she asked the questions and I could answer all of them. So it was a win. Yes. So आता we conclude करते इथेच. We are done for the vlog. Also a big thing is going to come next week. That is the Vietnam vlogs are going to come soon. So stay tuned for it next week. The whole week is going to be about the Vietnam vlogs. So stay tuned and subscribe, like and share this video if you like it. Share it with your family, friends and whoever else you want to. So bye bye. See you.